Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to make an amazing pocket slingshot. At first, I make 3 holes in the bottle cap using a soldering iron according to the video, and after that, you can use a rubber band to supply the power source of your slingshot. After collecting the extras, I connect the rubber band to the bottle cap using wood and hot glue, as shown in the video. Using a plastic straw, you can make your own slingshot tube and then connect it to the bottle cap using thermal glue. Remember to place the barrel in the center of the hole to reduce the percentage of error and hit the target more accurately.